Good afternoon, sir. I'm Yap, leader from Group 10. There are 3 more members, Tan, Hong, and Brandon. Let's begin our presentation now. First of all, what is electrical hazard? Electrical hazard is a dangerous condition where a worker may make electrical contact with energized equipment or conductor. So in this presentation, we are going to discuss about 4 hazards which can commonly happen in workshop. Improper maintenance of wire, electricity touching water, faulty appliances, and overloaded circuits. How can a shock happen? This is due to electrical energy passes through our body causing a shock. So I will be talking about improperly maintenance of wire. It is normally caused by melting of wire due to higher resistance and current produced. This is an example of improperly maintenance of wire. How to control this risk? We have to regularly hire an electrician to check the path of the electric circuits for every 2 months. And if there is a leakage, we have to fix and upgrade it. This will definitely reduce the chances of hazards happen in industry. That's all from me. Thank you. Tan, it's your turn now.
The second electricity hazard is electricity touching water. Electricity and water makes a dangerous combination will cause an electric shock. This is because the water's ions are extremely conductive and freely moving. This will also damage the electrical source as well as the electrical appliance. The suggestion to control the risk is wearing rubber gloves. Rubber is a good electrical insulator. It can prevent current from flowing due to its high resistivity. This is to remind the workers to check their hand before touching the socket.
Alright, next is the overloaded circuit. We have a very common issue in our house or even in workshop, which is the overloaded circuits may be happened anywhere. So overloaded circuits actually means when you are plugging too many appliances into one socket. Why people are doing so? Because they want to reduce their cost and time. And I have to say, hello cannot. So because the overloaded circuit will cause a large current flowing to the appliances at the same time, and this could generate the heat which will catch fire. And fire accident maybe happen. So the suggestion to overcome overloaded circuit is the employers has to do the enforcement of rules in their workshop, which emphasize only one plug in each socket. The tool we use to assess risks is quantitative analysis. It's because quantitative is numerical, which means additional data could be gained by using statistical analysis. And there are some benefits of using quantitative, which are more scientific, and quantitative has less bias and is structural, and it can be done very quickly. And this is the example of risk assessment, and this is the estimations of the events which the hazard we have identified in our project, in our report. Yeah. And electrical touching water considered as the highest risk. Yes.
Hi, my name is Brandon. Today I'm going to talk about lightning. Lightning is a type of fire hazard. Fire hazard means that a situation that increases the likelihood of a fire or may impede escape in the event a fire occurs. As you all know, lightning comes from friction between clouds. Friction will produce heat. This is why the lightning produces heat and will cause fire to the workshop. Wood and other flammable building materials can be easily ignited when an exposed lightning strikes on them. It is most common for lightning to start fire in a roof or a workshop. When the excessive currents flow from the lightning through the wires, it will burn them up and damage those electrical appliances. Next, we have suggestion to control the risk. We can strengthen our lightning protection system by installing a lightning rod attached to the roof of workshop. It provides a low resistance path to ground. By doing this, we can greatly reduce the chance to catch fire of buildings. Conclusion. In a nutshell, safety first. Safety is always our main priority or our primary expectation that we always seek whenever we are. Employers and employees play an important role in the workshop. Employers should always take drastic action and show concern about whether the safety is enforced in the management of workplace. The second one is prevention is better than cure. Employers and employees should fulfill their responsibility by trying their best to obey those safety instructions and prevent unwanted injury or accident to occur. That's all from me. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation.